Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do on a daily basis. Thank you for liking the video as well. Okay, you know I'm asking for likes lately because I want to get in the algorithm. For some reason, YouTube pushes me down in the algorithm for some reason. I don't know why. So if you can just keep liking the videos, that's amazing. So yeah, thank you. So right now we're potentially putting in some beautiful patterns here. You got your 1, you got your 2, you got your 3, you got your 4, and then you got your 5. Well, technically that's the 4, but we're going to say that is okay. Ignore that wick. I don't like that wick, but you have got to use it to be fair. But yeah, that's your 5. You're looking for the blow off top here. It's coming. You can see for me, you're creating a beautiful pattern here. You know, very similar to what you did down here. You know, you created a beautiful cup and handle basin just there. You know, that level of resistance came back, broke out. See you later. You know, you're creating a very similar pattern here. You know, you're not completely out the woods. Okay, I'm going to show you right now where you've got a key level of resistance on these wicks just here. So this is a key level of resistance for me just there for Vechain, okay, that we do need to see broken just there, 15.015582646, roughly around there. This is a daily time frame. If you start to come up, so I'll hold in back test of support, that's extremely bullish. That's a massive tick that you're breaking out of a large you know, ascending triangle. Look at that beautiful bullish reversal pattern just there. Okay, so that's a massive ascending triangle. Boom, 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 boom. You know, worst case scenario, you come back, bounce off this support line and break out. Okay, but for me, you have actually already broken out, and I think you're on the journey because you have broken out of a horizontal just there, like I said to you, and you came back to its support pretty much like what you did in this previous correction as well. You got that level of support just there, and then you can see you've broken out of that horizontal just there, and when you broke out of it towards the apex, you came back, support the trend line. You know, it's not pretty, but you held support and then you broke out again. So you could come up here, fall back to its support and break out. So it's a bullish continuation pattern, as this was horizontal, breakout, see you later. Huge horizontal, breakout, see you later. Inside of it, you've got an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern. You've equally got a massive cup and handle pattern, which I gave you as well. You broke out of that falling wedge. And right now, you retrace into these highs. Each point was a level of resistance, and you retrace into it. So you're looking extremely good for continuation. You know, worst case scenario, if you do run into this level of resistance just there and start to fall back, it could offer a fantastic entry point moving forward. Okay, you know, you roll over, you back test this particular trend line as support once more, fall back to it. Everyone thinks, oh shit, it's not going to break out, but then you break up and you're gone basically, because once you break this high just here, you know, this cup and handle, I think you've got putting a retracement to the all-time high here for Vechain. So from there to there, once you break that level of resistance, sorry, wherever it is, you break that level of resistance just there, you're looking at a retracement to that high. You know, and this to me, I'm giving minimal targets today. This to me is a minimal target for Vechain that I do think you're going to get to minimally in this bull market. I'm looking at 91 cents at the moment as a minimal target, you know, and if we do start to get parabolic and that mania blow off top, then you could actually get to that $1.50 forecast that I've had down there for many moons right now for Vechain. So yeah, that's just a minimal target, 91 cents to 1618, you know, moving forward. So yeah, it's doing everything it needs to get there, isn't it? You know, so from there right now, that's a further appreciation of around about 524%. So yeah, it's doing really well. It's looking really bullish. You've got kilo resistance just there, 0.1558. Start to break that, you could be looking at some beautiful upside. You know, you've got your technical target of a cup and handle, which is around about 70%. At that point, you can see you're looking really bullish there. Retracement to that high is 84%, and then you've got a beautiful long up of around about 491%. And who knows where this could absolutely go. You know, you could start to come up here and you could go beyond this 1618 to a $1.50, $1 plus price tag. I have seen some really you know, large forecasts up there, but I'm going to be conservative. I'm going to say that this is my minimal target. Okay, and each level here is going to be resistance points along the way for Vechain. Okay, but you can see that when it breaks out, it really does break out. Just there, broke out, support, gone. You see that? So right here, you do something very similar. You come up here, you break out, come back to support, gone scare. Okay, in this bull market, and you can see, like I think I've shown you before, you know, you're starting to sort of, you know, these horizontals, they're equally sort of parabolic curves. Look at the parabolic curve that you're starting to adhere to just there. Like, you've got this parabolic curve that you start to adhere to, and then you took off into space. You know, this is what causes this mania, this blow off top, these sort of parabolic moves here for these projects. Okay, so this is extremely bullish, and then you can see from there, look at the parabolic curve, boom. You know, it's sort of conforming, isn't it? So it's looking really bullish. Minimal target, 91 cents, and hopefully it gets overextended and gets to my forecast laid down many moons ago. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Vechain. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.